Hello everyone, this is Wahida Sharman from Epi Pilates in Sacramento. I have Nicole here and we're going to be doing some lunges on this EXO chair. So Nicole is going to start by pressing that bar down, hinging in that hip joint, and then exhale and rise back up using the glutes and the abdominals. And we do it again. There's a lot of stability that's being required by that lumbopelvic area. Nicely done. And then one more here. Excellent. We also have these elastics here, and Nicole is going to use those for a bicep curl. So she's going to press the bar down. Excellent. Releasing the straps as she rises back up. And again. So the elastics add a dimension that creates this exercise to become a whole body exercise. She's using her glutes, she's using her arms, and it requires way more abdominal control here. Thank you so much for joining us.